Hey everybody, time for your weekly time tip. And this week, what I want to talk about is some concrete ways for us to get our mojo back. People are tired. Wherever I speak in the world, the leaders of every organization, the employees of every organization, the theme on the table is fatigue. People have lost their motivation. It's hard to find the resources to keep going, even though everyone is still going, but where's the energy around it? And there are two things that I know in a time of kind of uncertainty and coming out of like an acute crisis. There are two things I know that will give you your energy back. One is set a goal. Set a goal, set a professional goal, something you want to achieve, something you want to learn, a skill you want to develop this year, whatever, in the next 6 months. Create a goal which will get you out of the day-to-day and cast your eyes toward the future, and that will energize you every day. And the second thing is self-care. We have to rebuild new habits of self-care and start with one self-care, new, missing self-care habit in your day. If you're not moving enough, commit to a walk in the morning or after dinner. If you're not social enough, commit to connecting with a friend every single day or getting together with a friend every single weekend. Make the commitment. Create a habit of the thing that is missing that will fuel you in your soul. A goal and a self-care habit, just one of each, and that is how we start to get our mojo back.